Hello students, how are you? Once again welcome to Social Science Classroom. Today we shall discuss about the map work of the chapter Nationalism in India. Maps have important weightage in class 10 board examination. Total 6 marks are allotted for map work. 2 marks will be from History chapter Nationalism in India and 4 marks from Geography. Dear students, first of all, you have to study about the political map of India. That means the location of 28 states and 9 union territories. Look at the map. Where is the location of West Bengal, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Dear students, here you can see the political map of India. Tamil Nadu is located in the southernmost part of India. West Bengal is located in the east region of India. Punjab is located in the northwest part of India. Can you see Bihar? Bihar lies in the northeast part of India. Can you see Uttar Pradesh? The most populated state of India according to the 2011 census. It also lies in the northeast part of India. Similarly, you have to practice in locating and labeling of 28 states on the outline map of India. Dear students, first of all, let us study about Indian National Congress sessions were held between 1918 and 1913. First one, International Congress session at Calcutta in September 1920. Second, International Congress session at Nagpur in December 1920. Third, International Congress session at Madras in 1927. Let us locate and label them on the outline political map of India. First one, the place where Indian National Congress session was held in September 1920. Answer, Calcutta. We know that Calcutta is in West Bengal. Take care by locating it. Calcutta is located on the banks of River Hooghly. Dear students, what happened during the International Congress session at Calcutta in September 1920? During this session, Mahatma Gandhi convinced Hindu and Muslim leaders to join hands with the support of Khilafat as well as for Swaraj. Next one, the Indian National Congress session was held at Nagpur in December 1920. We know that Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Let us locate Nagpur. It is very near to the border. Dear students, what happened during the Nagpur session? During this session, a compromise was worked out and the Congress adopted the non-cooperation movement. Last one. The place where Indian National Congress session was held in 1927. Answer, Madras. Madras is located in eastern coast of India. Mark it in Tamil Nadu. Dear students, what happened during this session? During this session, the Congress passed a resolution for the boycott of Simon Commission. Dear students, we studied about the places where Indian National Congress sessions were held between 1918 and 1930. They were Calcutta, Nagpur and Madras. Dear students, let us study about the important centers of Indian national movement. Champaran, Bihar, movement against indigo plantation system. Kheda, Gujarat, peasant satyagraha. Ahmedabad, Gujarat, cotton mill workers satyagraha. Amritsar, Punjab, Jallianwala Bagh incident. Chauri Chaura, Uttar Pradesh, calling of the non-cooperation movement. Dandi, Gujarat, civil disobedience movement. Let us locate and label these places on the political map of India. First one, Champaran in Bihar. Let us move to northeast part of India. Here is Champaran, the place associated with the movement against indigo plantation system. Answer, Champaran in Bihar. In 1916, there was a struggle against the oppressive plantation system. Next one, Kheda, Gujarat, peasant satyagraha. The place where peasants organized a satyagraha. Answer, Kheda in Gujarat. Can you see Kheda here? In 1917, Gandhiji organized a satyagraha at Kheda to support the peasants. Next one, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, cotton mill workers satyagraha. The place where Mahatma Gandhi organized satyagraha for cotton mill workers. Answer, Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Here is Ahmedabad. In 1918, Mahatma Gandhi organized the satyagraha amongst the cotton mill workers. The city associated with the Jallianwala Bagh incident. Answer, Amritsar in Punjab. Punjab is in northwest part of India. The Jallianwala Bagh incident took place on 13th April 1919. Next one, Chauri Chaura, Uttar Pradesh, calling of the non-cooperation movement. The place related to the calling of the non-cooperation movement. Answer, Chauri Chaura in Uttar Pradesh. In 1922, Mahatma Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement because of Chauri Chaura incident. Last one, Dandi, Gujarat, civil disobedience movement. The place where Mahatma Gandhi broke the salt law. Answer, Dandi in Gujarat. Dandi is a coastal place. Can you see Dandi here? Mahatma Gandhi started the salt march from Gandhiji's ashram in Sabarmati to Dandi. On 6 April 1930, he reached Dandi and violated the salt law by making salt. It was the beginning of civil disobedience movement. Dear students, our topic is over now. I have attached test questions regarding the topic. Send your answer through Gmail. Map work as a note and assignment are also attached. Now our chapter Nationalism in India is completed. Dear students, the Indian freedom was a long struggle which claimed thousands of lives and sacrifices. Many of the sacrifices went unnoticed. Some of them found their way into history books and are even remembered today with great pride and honor. With the non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement, Mahatma Gandhi used a peaceful resistance against the British government in India. Dear students, I would like to conclude my session by giving a message regarding freedom. We lost many lives. We lost many heroes. Then we got freedom. It is the most precious thing for a person and we must value it. Thank you, students. Bye.